Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be teaching you all how you can make your own organic coffee and oats body scrub at home. Here are all the ingredients that you need to make this perfect scrub at home. First thing you need is plain oats and you need to grind them. Second is coffee beans and you have to grind it in a grinder. I use whole coffee beans because it gives more intense flavor and it is more effective than normal coffee powder, as coffee powder will dissolve very easily and it's not good for the scrub. Next we need is dark brown sugar. I have used organic dark brown sugar and you need to grind it and it will look like this. Make a fine powder of it. Next you need is cinnamon powder, that is 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Last is extra virgin coconut oil. So these all ingredients you have to use to make this perfect body scrub at home. So let's get started. Step 1 is you take the oats powder and put it in an empty bowl, the complete powder. Next step is you add fresh grounded coffee powder into the same. It's always better to use the whole coffee beans and ground it fresh because the effect of the coffee will be better like that. Next step is to add dark brown sugar powder into the same mixture. Step 4 is to add fresh grounded cinnamon powder. These are all the dried items, and after adding all these dried items you need to mix it really well. The last step is to add extra virgin coconut oil into the mixture. Just make sure you pour half of the coconut oil first and mix, and then add the remaining coconut oil in the mixture. Otherwise it will make lumps, and if you need more sticky body polish then you can add a bit more coconut oil into the mixture. I like my body scrub to be more oily and more liquidy. And your organic coffee and oats body polish is ready to use. It feels really nice and you will feel the particles on your skin and you will feel the skin exfoliating. And it smells really good and it has lots and lots of benefits. Just remember one thing, you transfer the whole mixture in an airtight container, otherwise the mixture can get spoiled. Just be sure you don't add water in the mixture.